Okay, so here we go. I'm a little pissed. I'm a little angry. So you saw the review on the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink car wash. Well, that car, I baby that car. I wax it, I wash it, make sure the paint is perfect all the time, and whenever there's bird mess on the car, I go out there and I clean it. I take care of my stuff. That way, it lasts long, right? So I'm going to Walmart, gonna get some school supplies for my son who starts school on Monday full time again. No more virtual learning, thank goodness. And I'll come out to my car and I'll show you what happened here. Some dickless moron hits my car, swipes it, puts scratches all here, transfers, I don't know if it's white paint, maybe it's white paint, the black paint, I don't know what that is going on there, but yeah. So needless to say, I'm kind of pissed off about it. Kind of wish I caught the person when they did it. We would have choice words. I went to my local auto parts store, told the guy what happened, and he sympathized with me, and he suggested that I go with Meguires Scratch X. So here we go. I'm gonna try and get this stuff out, try to buff that paint out, get those little scratches out. I feel like this will work. Thank God there's no dents, because I would have been that much angrier. Essentially what you do is you take one of these here cloth applicators, put the product on there, swirl it onto the scratch parts and the parts with paint on it, let it dry over, and then buff out, and it should be clear. Hopefully it's that easy. Hopefully they only have to do it once. So about 4 or 5 applications, and this is what I got. Nice and clear. Still a little right here. That is because the paint got grinded down and it wasn't a surface scratch, like it wasn't just a scratch on the clear coat, like it got down into the red of the car. So I'm gonna have to get some really good touch-up paint and paint that over and try and buff it so it comes out evenly, and hopefully that will look better. To a normal person walking around the car, they wouldn't notice that, but as the owner of the car and someone who constantly washes and polishes that car, I'm gonna see it and it's gonna bother me every single time. So Meguires Scratch X, really good product, worked very well. If you hit someone's car, even if it's a small little dent, bump, scratch, or whatever, don't drive away. Don't be an asshole. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. That'll be it for today's video. If you like the content, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. And as always, remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.